So real quick, I'm going to be making a tea for the muscular system. It contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. It also has a lot of protein. So this is going to help reconstruct tissues, keep your tissues hydrated, and yeah, it'll give you also energy throughout your workout. You can use this before or after. I'm going to be mixing it in a portion that will yield 1 tablespoon. So first you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of nettle leaf, 1 teaspoon of eleuthero root, half a teaspoon of red rose petals, and half a teaspoon of peppermint leaf. So you can mix it all up. And you can do this, since the nettle's really fine, you want to be able to put this in a tea bag or a tea infuser. Tea bag's probably the best option. But yeah, you just put it in your cup of hot water and let it brew. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoy.